Snake Island, one of the Toronto Island chains here, but this is called Snake Island because of not any inhabitant on this island. Matter of fact, there's an uninhabited island. The only inhabitant on there is maybe me and God. Only one here. Ooh, they're clearing up here. They're clearing here, but this is interesting to look at. A few picnic tables, but that's about all really in this island. Oh, I see there's a native culture up here. It's interesting. Snake Island. Actually, there's actually a native drum group called Snake Island. It's on home Snake Island, believe it or not. See, it's interesting there. Nobody lives on this island. It's a vacant desert, undeserted island. Geez, sometimes, you know, yeah, you should throw that up real free out here. Got nobody here. Just me and the creator. They had room there, probably would. There's enough things I could probably eat. Probably could find a snake or two to eat. Anyways, that's really interesting to look at here. Sort of untouched. Tree in here, actually, believe it or not, in this area right here, this clearing here, where there's nothing here now, used to be a casino here a long time ago. And what happened there was this casino burnt to the ground. Actually, it didn't burn to the ground, it was destroyed after Hurricane Hazel came through there. Of course, when that happened, there was a huge storm surge at Hurricane Hazel, so it swamped the island, flooded this island, and pulled those trees back. Some of these trees have remained since then from the storm surge. Basically, it is what you know at a storm surge, and it destroyed the casino and all liking. So, and if you dock here for a casino was destroyed. There's two casinos on Toronto, the one over on the other island or further down the other end. The secondary casino used to be in this area here, destroyed now. But it's standing right where the old one of the two game houses owned by Jerry Baker Entertainment owned both, plus he owned Canterbury. The only thing that was not got destroyed was the amusement park. But anything down here was destroyed by a mass tidal wave after a hurricane. So this concludes this video to YouTube. This concludes this video. Blog over.